Hello everyone, in this video we will cleanse the car interior with your own hand. Laser interior is a distinctive feature of rich vehicle trim leaves. Laser not only looks beautiful and respectable, but also quite practical in use. It's much easier to whip off a drop of ice cream or a spilled drink from it than from fabric or velour. And the traditional disadvantage of laser, freezing in winter and strong heating in summer, are leveled by heating seats, perforation and ventilation. However, the laser interior regular and methodical maintenance, otherwise the coating quickly courses, cracks and loses its appearance. But before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Cleaning the laser interior always begins with vacuuming. If you immediately start rubbing with a cloth or brush on the skin, then fine grains on sand accumulate in the fold will scratch the surface. Therefore, stocks up on a car vacuum cleaner powered by onboard 12 volts. With it, you can clean the cabin even in the yard without an external source of electricity. Next, we move on to wet cleaning with the help of special auto cosmetic, a skin cleaner, which will not only remove surface impurities, but also clean the pores of the skin. For cleaning accessories, you will need a microfiber cloth and a show brush with soft brushless. Rough rags or paper towels will not work as they may scratch your skin. It's strictly forbidden to wipe stain of the skin with white spirit, acetone, and other strong solvent. You will ruin the coating. Forced to burn dirt and stains, use a foam laser cleaner and a brush with gentle circular motion and patience. You can clean even deep-seated grime. Most laser cleaner can be applied directly to the surface, but the level of instruction aerosol cleaner are sometimes recommended to be sprayed into a brush. If the skin is heavily dirt and greasy, let the cleaner absorb for a little, no longer than a minute, and then rub. Begin cleaning at the top of seats, gradually moving downward. Don't try to clean the entire back or seats at once. Work methodically on small area. For aesthetic pleasure, you can mentally or really with the help of masking tape divide the chair into two parts and compare them after cleaning the first. The result will be very visual and motivating. After using the cleaner, the skin must be protected with a special composition, laser conditioner or cream wax. Lanolin, animal wax obtained from the sheep wool, is absorbed into the skin, moist using and maintain elasticity. And silicone protects from pollution. The skin stays clean longer and is easier to clean. Also, laser conditioner protects it from ultraviolet radiation, preventing fading, drying, and cracking. In addition to regular, once every 3 months, clean and conditioning with the air conditioning. Proper operation is also needed to keep the laser interior in perfect condition. Here are some helpful tips on how to extend the life of your car's skin. Wear upholstery-safe clothing. If you wear a laser jacket, be sure to take it off before getting in the car. Don't rub skin against skin. Lovers of leather pants and skirts should buy a seat cover, otherwise the leather will quickly wear out. Also, avoid clothes with sharp metal elements, badges, fasteners, decorative tags, all of which can damage the skin. Protect interior from the sun and overheating. The sun and heat are the main elements of the skin. Avoid overheating the interior. Park the car in the shade. Leave the window slightly open and use the sun blind for a long period of time. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.